here we go. So this is oh, there's a Tropius.
Oh, Daddy, you don't have it.
Oh my goodness, another Pokedex entry. Oh my goodness. So this is the next hour, and the other hour was Torkoal was spawning. And these regionals coming through. My goodness, a Tropius. Oh my goodness. Another Pokedex entry.
Not for me though.
Excuse me. No, I have Tropius. Okay.
I'm not gonna go to get a Pokedex entry since I traded from him.
So here's what we're getting now. I don't know which hour it is. I thought there was going to go in order, but it started off with the plains. Now it must. Oh, there's Seedat. It's this here, and Seedat and Turtwig just run away from me. So it's Turtwig, Shroomish. What's that? Ladybah.
I don't know.
Seedat. Carablast, which can be shiny. Mudkip, which is an awesome Pokemon. Rowlet. What's that in?
Sackloff.
Chimchar. And the other one is, what do you call that lazy one? Sloth thing? What do you call it?
Oh.
There one, that one there.
Yeah.
It's called a sloth.
Slack off.
That one there.
Yeah, slack off.
That's slack off. What's it go into then? Slack off?
Slacking.
Slack off. Okay, well that one anyway. So, let's see what we've got here.
Slacking is the last evolution. I don't know what the second.
Do you know,
is
I
called.
still can't reach this Pokestop.
Vigor off, it goes into, then slacking.
So I'm going to have to go out. I have to do this. Like, defeat 9 Team Go Rocket members. I need to do that to progress. I thought the battle was going to be against Battle League. I am raging I picked that because I'm not meant to be going out and about, but it looks like I'm going to have to go out in the car and do this. There's Mudkip. There's one of mine.
Oh, I have a caught a Mudkip. They were in the last hour.
You've got a Mudkip. They weren't in the last hour. We went on by the 10 since I wanted to stop and prepare for this hour, and you went. Oh, there's a Seedat. Mudkip. Seedat. Remember, then you went to the Groudon raid. But we're able to, since we stayed and done that, we was able to do this collection challenge. Because it means we can finish this Go Fest in 4 hours instead of 8. If we get all the collection challenges in this hour.
Yeah, since the hours repeat in case
But
I haven't got.
there's the Go Fest. See that special? Owen, the special not have a time limit?
Pretty sure it ended today.
Special, I thought you said today has a time limit and special does not have a time limit. That's what I thought you told me.
Yeah, special don't have a time limit.
That's what I just said. You said you think it ends today. So we're getting invited. Do you want to?
You meant the today one?
No. Are you wanting to do the raid?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's 60 seconds on it, so. Oh yeah, but the lobby could go done. So there we have it. Oh no, I can't. Right, okay, I have to go into this shop.
Get coins.
And oh, there's loads of stuff
there.
there.
We need to cut this out of the video.
Yeah. What are you doing?
32 seconds.
I have 32 coins left.
No, you're all in there.
So I really don't know what happened there.
Robin,
Did I get it?
You would have.
I've done the coins, so.
I think sometimes they show right away.
Well, I can't do anything. So, because it's not allowing me to buy the coins. So I'm not doing the raid. I'm not doing the raid. I didn't prepare. This is all the preparation I wanted to do. So I didn't get doing it. So you go ahead and do it.
What raid?
Kyogre. I just catch Pokemon. And it's the shiny we need for Owen to do the trade anyway. So.
Oh, Daddy, someone has a Mega Pokemon. A Mega Ampharos, so now my Wild Charge is boosted.
There's something there, I just noticed. Skrelp.
Seven people. Handshake. Oh no, their Mega died.
So you have to keep remember Owen in between catching Pokemon to spin the Pokestop or the both Pokestops if you can, because you'll need your items. No, I didn't buy it. I'm not sure what happened there. I didn't see what was coming up. Walk 2k, everybody. 3. Yes. Oh, I'll do a wee. Snapshot. See what happens here.
I can find a strike.
Oh, look at. Oh, I've stopped screen recording.
Screen recording then?
I'm not sure what happened. I can't. There's nowhere to join it on, so I'll just wait and see. We'll just need to end this, and once you catch that, we'll just end it.
Okay. Agusti 81, Stamina Specialist, Mercy with Raid Buddy, Dark with Walkstar. I got Final Strike!
Ah, very good.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, bam! Ah! Can't believe I didn't get this.
28.77. He moved just enough. Just right.
The wee thing run away.
I can hear the.
So, I'm not sure what happened with that screen recording. Don't know. So I'll check the gigs here. The gigs should be fine. Oh, goodness, me knows. I need to check your gigs. There's 18. 18. I thought it should be more than 18.
Excellent. And he was at the side.
Was it the side?
Yeah, he was at that side and I got an excellent.
18, I thought this should have been 30. I'm 12 gigs short here. So I will go back to Pokemon. And I will see. Oh, that's why there's no spawns. My incense is done. There's a barnacle.
And your Go Plus is off.
Yeah, it's off because I have to catch him. I don't know if it's doing a raid or something, but
Is it Pinnacle or Pinnacle?
Pinnacle. It's what's it meant to be? Like a
Barnacle.
Yeah. So have I even got incenses? I do. Let me see how long an incense is lasting. An hour.
Okay, my incense is up as well.
And there we have it. There is
What rage is going on?
I think I might, it'll be easier doing raids later, and we'll do our collection challenges now.
Should be it.
Wow.
He's got his leaf beard.
That's class. So, did Mummy not come in? No, you must be hanging.
You ran away?
Oh, you need that for. You need the red thing.
Yeah, I've got it. Already for the research. There's two pinnacles on top of each other.
I think you need to catch them all because they're they can be shiny as well. I think there's loads of shinies today, and let something else spawn when you catch it. I think. So not much spawning here for this for this hour.
Yeah.
So why is that there for you and not there for me?
The what?
The red thing, that vanity, why is it not there for me?
Probably.
It's a normal spawn, isn't it?
You probably caught it with your Go Plus.
My Go Plus it isn't. Oh no.
Yeah, but they could have spawned before.
Oh. So I will check the journal. After I fix this, I'll check the journal and see if it run away. Where's that rabbit?
My insult.
I'm getting nothing.
Why?
Not fair.
Wasn't detected at the front door. I heard a car door shut there. Mummy's car's there.
Journal. Here we go. No, it isn't there. So it hasn't spawned for me. There's one of the mudcaps again. So I'm not sure why I think the position of my guys usually run about all over the place.
What
Right.
do I need the catch? What hour is this?
Oh my goodness, it's this one. You've caught 4 of them. I've caught 1 of them or something. Right, there we have it. Do you want to, we'll just end this video now and then we'll come back when we've made a wee bit more progress.
Yeah.
Okay, over out. Bye. Here we go.
Recording there, I saw Larvitar.
Yeah, so we'll have to come back on and then Owen will get his wee
Little-
collection challenge badge thing and then we'll end the video.
Pineapples.
And there is one for me.
Who's here?
There's another wee avatar.
There. And funny enough, the Larvitar species.
You collect that as mummy reversing in. Go. No, just switch.
Collect.
Yeah, collect. I'm gonna be
That's
ages doing
Abby.
mine.
2022 Stardust.
But when the thing's about to start on, the other one's about to start, the next hour.
Okay, 2 kind of
2022 Stardust, now you get it. Oh, you get Pokemon for it. Starting counter. Clank. Is Mummy back? Is it Mummy back? Oh yes, I see it the same there. There's a big ball patcher. No shiny. So, what's your next bet?
Looking back into it's hard to go. No sign of shaman yet. Well, that's understandable. Mythical Pokemon aren't known to be easy to find after all. Did you know that shaman was a mythical?
No.
It has 2 different types. I appreciate you entertaining my hypothesis. So perhaps can we try luring shaman out with some pineapple berries next? That would certainly work for me. Haha. Wait, so what game was it? I'm pretty sure Pokemon Shining Pearl and Brilliant Pokemon Pearl and Diamond and Pearl. I'm pretty sure you could go out into like the ocean. I'm pretty sure you could find the island of Dialga, Darkrai and Shaman.
2 run away in a row. Oh, very good.
Oh, Daddy. Okay, so you are.
I didn't know it was on.
Oh, Daddy, look.
There, we got it. Okay, so we will see you in the next hour. Over and out.
Bye.
Owen, get into the raid. Apologies, I didn't get into the raid in time there. I finally got my coins. And what is that pineapple one doing? Are you serious?
Look, pineapple one.
Where's she doing?
So Owen get in the rain. We need Owen to get a shiny. Look at her, Owen. She's up sniffing in the dishes. It's been clean. Look, she's licking the water tap. So Owen is doing the raid at the other side of the. He's just off camera there. I am waiting on a.
Connor.
Sure.
At least it turned on.
I'm waiting on a what?
Alright, done. Crazy. We're sneaking away.
Carablast. That's what I'm waiting on. Carablast.
I don't trust that. Got you sneaky walk up the Torah like that. I don't trust you.
But the Pokemon seem to be getting really hard to catch. But it's the same spawns over and over, so I'm starting to get a wee bit fed up during this hour. There's 20 minutes left of the hour. But,
She looks like she's going to attack Torah.
right.
You going to attack Torah?
Non-shiny.
But I have no confidence in getting the Carablast. I haven't seen any spawn. And I'm thinking there might be some, it's just a hatch.
Alright, she's going to over it. You got smart Torah's head.
Did you hit Tara?
Yeah.
There's a wee Pancham. There's a Pancham coming. I'm not sure if I've got any shinies. I'll have to check here. Owen's got 2 really good shinies. What was your thing, Owen?
What?
Your Kyogre?
It wasn't good.
No. What have you left to get? Could someone turn that YouTube off, please? Instead of starting to record, you need to go down.
No, it's Muggy Huggy.
Right.
I just need Carablast.
Same here. This is terrible. Trying to look for it. Terrible. So, Mr. Wiz, if you invite again, I will join. I tried to join there, I bought my coins, and I couldn't get in time.
What even is Pokemon Go Fest?
This is a special event where all different types of spawns and challenges. But it's doing my head in. There's even one in nearby, which makes me. Oh, there is. There's one down there.
Can you use the rainbow?
Can you close in easily, please?
Close one place.
Whatever you're closing, just slamming it, just close it easy. There's a slack off. Could get a shiny, not a shiny. So, where?
Over near the Pokestop.
What Pokestop? There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Yes! Just have to catch it. And that's a collection challenge complete. So that was a close one. That was a close one. There's 17 minutes to go. So I'll end this video by doing a wee raid. And there's this completed. So she got a wee badge. And you praise that wee Carablast. If I go off this, the wee badge will come through. There we go. We'll collect all the things at the end. Just turn my Go Plus on then. And I'll just show what we've caught. I thought these would have went in order, but that definitely was not first. That was the first hour there. That was the second hour, so I'm guessing it's going to go to Tundra and then the other one. But we'll see. That's in 16 minutes. And I still haven't done any of these because I can't leave. I don't know if I can drive. I might try and drive with this big contraption on my leg, and I don't know if I can drive with it. But if not, then I'm going to have to get the missus to drive us to the Schenkel, and I need to defeat 9 grunts and do that. I can't believe I picked battle. I really can't. So, Groudon. Owen, do you want to do Groudon, or there's 2 Groudon or 1 Kyogre? What do you want to do?
You like coyote, so let's do coyote.
Okay, 7 minutes left on it, so we'll go in with this, and I'll invite Wizzes and Titanic. Dark Wiz, Mercy Wiz, Titanic,
Father,
Titanic, Light Wiz, yes.
I've got a question.
Connor has a question. Here we go. It's question time with the pars.
So, quizzes are quizzical, right?
Quizzes are quizzical. Yeah.
Right? Okay, so what are tests?
They're testy. They're testy, very, very testy. They're very testy.
What?
70 seconds for the Wizards to join. 68, 69, 68, 69. Oh, I didn't heal up. I will heal up. And that will pass some time. Tapu Bulu, Tapu Bulu, Tapu Bulu. I'm starting to get really tired. What is it you're doing, Owen?
I'm healing up.
Oh my goodness, look at the many things Owen has to hate. So Owen's on far more raids than me. 14. No, we're gonna have to quit. No one's joining. Quit. Yep.
Are we going on again?
I don't think so. Are you going to go and invite different people? I don't think there's going to be time for that one.
Can I forget it with a star?
Seriously, there's another car blast. Yeah, just wait till we're invited. I just thought we'd do that. So that's this hour done, and we'll just go over what we've got done. How's your research going, Owen? I can't do any research.
Special?
Yeah.
I need to make 5 grapefruits in order.
Right, you haven't done that. So here we go. Carabass, Shroomies, Pancham. You can see the spawns. They're quite good. All the tropiuses. We're going to have a good time doing our trades later. Trading them. And the Torkoal. A few unknowns. Alright, man. Owen should have got all the unknowns earlier, but you can see there is some nice spawns. There we have it. We'll see you when the next hour starts. Over and out.
Bye.